We are the misfitters in this country that everyone wants to leave, statistically speaking. How can you give up on this country so easily? If we don't stand by it, then who will stand for it? There's a very famous IFS officer. She was in news for all the wrong reasons a few years ago. Divyani Khobrekarde. I think today she is an ambassador representing India. Both of her kids have given up Indian passports. Both of her kids are American citizens. What a shame. And that she is an Indian ambassador. Diplomats are the symbol of their country's identity, right? When a diplomat's immediate family members give up on that country, how can that diplomat be loyal to India and think about the regular civilians? What incentives do they have to stay in this country? And people who represent this country are giving up on this country. Not a good example. Where do you think her loyalties will lie? What if tomorrow the US government says, sign this agreement or else we'll take away the citizenship of your kids, your husband? What will she do? Because in this case, US government has given her something truly valuable. That is why I want to re-emphasize right people with right ethics, with right morals, right heart, with some spine occupying important positions. So don't give up on this country like she has done. Of course, our country has innumerable problems, but it is our country. And why should we give up so easily? If this is bound to happen, then of course we are living in an era of darkness. There are certain ideals that you can never compromise on, no matter what. No matter what, never sell your country or your countrymen. Because if a person can sell a country for private gains, then that person will have absolutely no shame in selling even his family for personal gains, if the time is right or the money is perfect. And that person should and will lose respect, at least in my heart, in my eyes, forever, no matter what is that designation officially. So please become part of civil services for the right reasons. You can earn money in any field today. Big boss contestants today, they earn more than an IAS officer might earn in his or her entire life. But that big boss contestant could not make an iota of difference that an honest civil servant can potentially make while being in the services. Honest civil servant. Honesty is not just words alone, but deeds also. We are not in this game for money. Money, nothing. It serves this country, its people. So if you were an IAS officer in this Jajpur district, what would you do? How would you solve for this? The facts that I just mentioned about a study in Jajpur district. And please note, such questions are very frequent in your UPSC interviews, a very important phase of your civil services journey. What if I ask you this question in your UPSC interview? How will you proceed with the answer?